Hey guys, and welcome back to Easy English. We're so glad to have you here with us today. Today we're tackling common English mistakes and how to fix them. These are errors that even advanced learners make, so don't worry if you find yourself making them too. If you want to improve your accuracy and sound more fluent, this video is for you. We'll go through each mistake step by step and provide clear examples. Make sure to take notes and practice along with us. The more you practice, the better you'll get. Stick around to the end for some crucial tips to avoid these mistakes in the future. These tips will help you become more confident in your English skills. Let's start with a common mix-up. Your and your. These two words sound exactly the same but have very different meanings and uses. It's easy to get them confused, but once you understand the difference, you'll never mix them up again. Your is a possessive adjective, meaning something belongs to the person you're talking to. For example, your car, your house, your adorable puppy. It's used to show ownership or a relationship between things. Think of it as a way to indicate that something is related to you or someone else. Your is a contraction of you are, indicating an action or a state of being. For instance, you're watching this video, you're learning so much, you're getting better at English every day. It's a way to describe what someone is doing or how they are. You're on your way to speaking amazing English. Remember, possession versus action. This simple distinction can help you avoid common mistakes and make your writing clearer and more professional. Here's a trick. Replace your with you are. If the sentence still makes sense, then you're using it correctly. For example, you're going to the store can be changed to you are going to the store, and it still makes sense. If the sentence makes sense, you're good to go. This little test can save you from making embarrassing mistakes in your writing. It's a quick and easy way to check your work. For example, you're doing great becomes you are doing great. It makes perfect sense, so you're using it correctly. On the other hand, if you try to replace your with you are, and it doesn't work, then you know you've made a mistake. But I love your new car becomes I love your new car, which doesn't make sense. This clearly shows that your is the correct word to use in this context. It's all about understanding the role each word plays in a sentence. So use your in that case, easy peasy. With a little practice, you'll master the difference between your and your in no time. Keep practicing, and soon it will become second nature. Next, let's tackle there, and there. There indicates location, the shop is over there. There is possessive, that's their car. There is a contraction of they are. They're coming to the party. Remember, there for place, there for possession, and there for they are. Good and well. Good is an adjective describing a noun. This is a good book. Well is an adverb describing a verb. She sings well. Think about what you're describing. A noun or a verb? Use good for nouns and well for verbs. Now let's look at its and its. These two words might seem similar, but they have very different uses and meanings. Understanding the difference between them is crucial for clear and correct writing. Its, no apostrophe, is possessive. The dog wagged its tail. This means that the tail belongs to the dog. Whenever you want to show ownership or that something belongs to something else, you use its without an apostrophe. Its with an apostrophe is a contraction of it is or it has. It's raining outside. This means it is raining outside. The apostrophe replaces the missing letters. So whenever you can replace its with it is or it has, you know you're using the contraction correctly. Use the switcheroo trick, replace its with it is or it has. If the sentence still makes sense, then you've used the correct form. This simple trick can save you from making common grammatical errors. If it makes sense, you've used the correct word. Remember, its shows possession, and its is a contraction. Mastering this will make your writing clearer and more professional. Finally, let's discuss less and fewer. Use fewer with countable nouns. I have fewer apples. Use less with uncountable nouns. I have less water. Countable nouns can be counted, uncountable cannot. So, there you have it. 5 common English mistakes and how to fix them. Keep practicing, and these rules will become natural. Give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Easy English for more lessons. See you in the next one.